Hello, welcome back to the Open Cook. What I'm going to do today is some stuffed zucchinis or courgettes, whatever you want to call them, with some tuna, capers, some pitted olives. We've got some rice, tomatoes, an egg, onion, garlic, some Parmesan cheese and some breadcrumbs which I forgot to get out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start prepping all this up and we'll be back soon. Okay, so there we have it. We get our tuna stuffed courgettes with olive oil, rice, tuna, black olives, capers, egg, breadcrumbs, fresh parsley from the garden, and garlic, parmesan, and tomatoes and onions. So this is going to be, I say every time, tasty, because I've done this before and I want to make sure that it's going to be tasty. So yeah, it is tasty. There is another one I'm going to do. It is when you scrape out all the pulp from the all the seeds and everything out of the courgettes. You mix that with some cream, some cheese and all the good stuff, and then repack it back into the courgettes. So this is going to be tasty. I had a bit of mixture left over, so I made like a little rice burger, so that's really good. And the tomatoes and the onions are done in olive oil and some soy sauce and some fresh parsley over the top. Really nice, simple meal, and it takes about an hour, I suppose. And I say again, it's going to be tasty. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys, see you later, and take it easy.